Oh, please tell me what happened.
I was getting out of the car and dropped my phone on the ground. Got a big crack, and then a couple months later, the screen just stopped working.
Okay. Makachoke!
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
And here is your screen back. Please.
Looks
You
great.
can take the film because it's new.
Oh yeah.
Looks
Yeah, it's been a long time.
good. How really? How long was?
Almost 6 months.
Really?
Yeah.
6 months, half.
With with the crack.
Oh, with a crack.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, the half of the screen, maybe a week and a half.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, still too long, but
Right.
yeah.
But please check
Okay.
the touch reaction and everything.
Looks perfect.
Perfect.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.